There you go. All right. So I don't want this. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Happy Sunday. It's a nice little day today. June. Today what we got going on, we're going to try and get my homeboy's fuel pump replaced on his BMW. And then after that, we'll go smack the Puerto Rican festival for a little bit. Before he gets here, though, I would like to actually try and clean off my bins. I was at my girl's house over the weekend, and it kind of, she got a crab tree, and I fucking hate those trees, and I don't know why they hate me too. It's been an everlasting beef, but it got some residue all over it, man, and I ain't really rocking with it. Look, you can see. We has water pressure too. I might have to take this bitch to a car wash. Listen, I've been up and moving all day. Huh? Alright, so we already got the seats off, but since I didn't record it, I'll just tell you guys how to take the bitch off. So each seat has a clip right here. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab one side, on each side, pop it up, and then if it's dirty, because you don't want the dust or debris to fall into the fuel tank, just gonna vacuum it up. I got a shop vac, so we're gonna take care of that. But the fuel pump is right here. Behind the driver's side, the fuel filter will be right there. So if you lift up the carpet on this side, goddamn, you'll see the entrance way for the fuel filter. So let's go ahead, plug this shop vac up and get going. All right, so we ran into a bump stock. We do need that piece to pull apart. We couldn't just do it with the flathead and the rubber mallet. Rubber mallet was a little bit too powerful, so we actually need the teeth, the tripod. That's what I'm gonna call it. I'm in AutoZone. We're in AutoZone right now looking for it. He's at the register, seeing if he can find it, but I'm not seeing anything similar in it. We'll keep you posted. It's also extremely hot outside. I look like a burnt glazed honey bun. That's it. That's the good news. Bad news, AutoZone let us down, but Advanced Autos definitely had us, show us the part. Yes, sir. So now we in business. We'll be able to get everything work. Vans damn sure need a bath. Damn, this. There you go. Alright. So I don't want this motherfucker to be sliding out and shit, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray some WD-40. Not sliding out, getting stuck. I want it to slide out. So I'm gonna put some WD-40 in here so it don't get stuck. So you can tell it's a little grippy on the inside. You love grippers, but you gotta use the lube. Remember that applies to anything. So now it's in there, it's not gonna slide out. But I'm gonna readjust this. I mean, it is gonna slide out. I'm gonna readjust this so that it can fit on the lock ring. That's what it's called. And then I'm gonna spray this. You gotta still get it to spin. I could baby it as much as the top. I'm not liking these clouds. Yeah, I think it's supposed to rain at 8. But the weather app also never knows when it's supposed to rain. Well, so it moved from 8 to now 10. The clouds moving in a little dark, so I'm not understanding. Alright, so now we got the part in there. I'm gonna use a 21 because it fits. Oh, yeah, so it doesn't fit. Alright, so this bitch don't work. And ain't no O'Reilly's except for the one on fucking Mechanicsville. So we gonna, I don't know what we gonna call it, but we gonna call this unsuccessful. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I know how to do it, but we ain't have the right tools. And I ain't gonna fuck up somebody else's car to do it. Absolutely, listen to that.
cuss on YouTube?
Huh?
You cuss on YouTube?
Yeah, I do it all the time. I do it all the time. I didn't know this was able to do that.
You just gonna throw that bitch back in the box.
There we go. Shit, I still gotta get this damn piece on again. So I'm gonna plug this shit back up. And I should have just ordered the bitch off of Amazon.